$2,500 worth of chemicals and seeds on the back of this truck. I'm not dropping the header to move to the next farm. I've only got about a mile to go, so I'm just leaving this header on here and going for it. Fit here between the corn, but I think we can do it without knocking the sign down or the corn. There we go, we got her. That mailbox was new since the last time I've come in this road with this header. That was a close one.
9500 tearing it up.
I'm going to have a truckload by the time I finish this field. It's only 6 acres in this field, so close to 90 bushels. It's right there at 85 with all the other fields I've done. The load of wheat that I took into the elevator this morning was 55.8, I think it was test weight, and the moisture was 14.3, so it was right where I was checking it with my scale and moisture tester. Now it took me an hour and almost an hour and a half. I think it was about an hour and 20 minutes in there this morning with the trucks that were ahead of me. This is a smaller and it's an older elevator, so they cannot unload trucks as fast as what the Purdue facility could do. It is a little bit closer to me. It's about an hour's drive one way. So test weight, for those who don't really know what that means, each grain has a certain weight to make 1 bushel, because you can't really measure a bushel when you are selling this to the grain elevators. It's hard to measure a bushel, so they come up with a weight for each bushel for each grain. So for wheat, 1 bushel of wheat, the standard is 60 pounds per bushel. For corn, the standard is 56 pounds per bushel. For soybeans, the standard is 60 pounds per bushel. Barley, which I don't grow, but I think barley is 48 pounds per bushel. So that's how they come up with how many bushels that you have. So we don't sell by the pound, we sell by the bushel. So then they measure the weight of the grain, and if it doesn't come up to the standard of what it is, then you are deducted, for lack of a better term, points or pennies. You are deducted pennies from your overall price. So wheat starts at 60 pounds. I think the cutoff is 58 pounds. Once you drop under 58 pounds, then they start deducting pennies, like, I don't even know what the scale is. 5 cents a bushel, 10 cents a bushel for every half a pound under the 58 pound test weight you are. And then some elevators will give you a premium for wheat if you are over like 61 or 62 pounds per bushel. But what they don't do, so if for my test weight this morning that was 55.8 pounds, they don't use that as the number to figure your bushels up. Yeah, I know, it makes no sense. They still use the 60 pound number even though your wheat is weighing at 55.8 pounds per bushel. So I hope that explains it. It's probably about as clear as mud to you, which there hasn't been a whole lot of mud this year. Okay, we are on the last pass here, and this 2023 wheat harvest will be wrapped up. I stopped by the seed dealer this morning and got some more soybeans, so I should have enough soybeans now to plant all of these wheat acres into soybeans. Just looked at the radar, and there is some small storm cells developing on the other side of us. I think the first ones developing are going to miss us, but we do have a chance of rain today. And I'm not sure that the truck is going to hold everything that's in here. I guess that's a good problem to have. Mare's tail, as you can see, on this end. But I got a new chemical this morning to try to help take care of this. I did buy some Liberty. I did buy some Liberty. That's been the suggestion from everybody to help with this mare's tail problem. And there we go. The wheat is complete. It's going to be close on whether that truck is going to hold it or not. I figure I've already got 450 bushels in there. This is another 100 bushels, 550. We're going to be close. I think we're gonna make it. There we go. It's a full truck, but it's all on there. Thread the needle between the mailbox and the trees here. There we go, just like that. Okay, don't hit the sign. Let's drop the header down. We can get under that sign. There we go. Didn't hit the sign, didn't take down the corn. Does that help? Can you see better now? Okay, I think I'm going to get the blower out and blow this off and drop the header. Then I can put everything in the barn. Header is off. Going to the barn. Got it. Oh! You in? $2,500 worth of chemicals and seeds on the back of this truck. That's about a truckload of wheat. And that really isn't that much, but it was still $2,500. All right, there are some storms building on the other side of the river. I'm gonna jump on this planter and plant until I can't plant anymore, I guess. But I think I'm gonna get wet in the next hour. Just a few raindrops on my windshield. I can almost count the raindrops with 4 hands and 3 feet. So nothing that's gonna slow us down here. Not at the moment anyway. Empty bottle. And today is June 30th, so what is that? 25 days I've emptied the bottle. Not good. But I have another bottle.